Greetings, fellow editors and Adobe users. When working with Adobe applications, we often need access to folders containing assets, media, templates, etc. Getting there could require multiple clicks, means time. Portal is a free extension for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, and other Adobe apps. Portal will help you to get to the most needed folders with one click. Drag and drop folders onto the Portal panel to create buttons for easy access. You can customize name, color, and enable relative path, which will make folder path relative to project location. This is useful for projects that use template folder structure. To reorder, just drag a button. Portal will keep different set of folders for each Adobe app. That is all. Thank you.